Project is called Fresher, which stands for Food Retail Environment Study for Health and Economic Resiliency. And the project is a rapid response to the widespread closures of and modified operating conditions for many of the retail food environments in Ontario. So the project team aims to learn how the pandemic has affected the well-being of businesses and their employees, and to identify and share which strategies, policies, and programs are useful for building resiliency. The project has three main components. First, we are conducting a survey of current and former employees and business owners to understand the personal and sector level impacts on the economic security, the health, and overall well-being of people. And that's done through a survey, which people can do at fresher.theheal.ca. The second part is we are conducting interviews with business owners to identify the strategies that are being implemented in the industry and to identify what governmental and banking programs and policies are working for the industry. So we are really trying to get at what programs are working, what programs aren't, what do we need more of, so that the government can be more efficient in the programs they're offering. And third, we'll be tracking which businesses are open and closed and what conditions they are operating under for at least the next year. And we hope that this data can be used to identify where the pandemic has harmed food accessibility the most, and in turn, contribute to greater food security in the region. Additionally, our plan is to focus heavily on southwestern Ontario, so London, Middlesex, Oxford, Elgin in the region of Waterloo. However, really our goal is to cover the entire province of Ontario. We're going to start here, London, Middlesex, and work our way out. We'll work our way west and north. But right now, the funding that's been provided by the Government of Ontario is to focus on southwestern Ontario. As the project is intended to be a rapid response, we needed to quickly mobilize a large team of research assistants to rapidly collect and continuously update the data. So this funding that we've been afforded from the government is critical, as it allowed us to put together an impressive team of student research assistants, and most of whom would otherwise have been out of work due to COVID. Well, the retail food sector is already facing massive job losses, which in turn will have negative economic and health impacts on owners and employees. So while we think of COVID, we think of this massive public health crisis right now, but the economic crisis is going to have such impacts, public health impacts long term. So we're really trying to help out those employees and those business owners over the long term to avoid some of the potential mental health and emotional problems and physical health problems and food insecurity problems that are to come. So the project outputs are really expected to help inform policies and programs that will maintain Ontario's food security, incentivize economic growth during the recovery period, improve the health and economic resiliency among businesses and employees to future pandemics and emergencies. Well, if you'd like to learn more about the study and participate in the study, you can go to fresher.theheal.ca. That's our website. Bear with us, the project just started officially last week, but we've already got a lot of resources on there, and we're trying to update the website weekly, and we'll eventually have a map of all the businesses that are open in their operations. You can also go to the website for links to the survey for employees and owners, and also if you want to participate in an interview, all the information is there.